So I'm going to show you how to change the headlight on this guy, a Hyundai Kona 2018 in under 5 minutes. This guy's out. The front headlight, my friend owns the car. She's bought it to me because she wants me to help her get the lights done. I always thought these were the headlights, but no, that's the low beam, that's the high beam, and it's the low beam on the driver's side that is out. So what you want to do is you want to park it here with the wheels facing in so you can get to this little cavity under here, because that's your quick access straight through into the light. All right, so this is what we got. Halogen 12 volt PX26D, it's a H7. And it goes in that one there. So pretty straightforward. This car's pretty hot because it's the Australian heat. I'm just going to twist this off. There you go, it just twists off and comes straight out. Off and out, just like that. I was just whinging saying there's never a flathead when you want it. It was literally the first one I found. So, I'm not using the proper tools for this, but you can just kind of get that under there and just flick it off without trying to lose the whole thing. Alright, now we got that down. Now you can see in there nicely. So I am guessing, looking at those little grooves, that it turns clockwise to bring it out. Maybe push in and clockwise. Nope, I was wrong. Turn anti-clockwise. But there you go. There she is. There you go. That's the old one there. That's the new one. That's the old one. They don't look all that different, do they? I mean, there's definitely a bit of wear in the spring, but this one's definitely got a bit of wear underneath, whereas, yeah. Oh well, what we'll do first is we'll just plug it in and just make sure that it works before we do anything wild like sticking it back in properly. So we'll go turn the car on now. Alright, so if I turn the car on, there you go. The ignition's on, lights working. And so now it's just a matter of sliding this bad boy back in to where we had it. I can even get the camera in there at the same time. There we go. And the opposite to what I did before. I said clockwise before, but it was actually counterclockwise, so this time it will be clockwise to lock it into place. Alright, I couldn't really film it, but I'm not going to get the camera and my hand in there, but I've just clicked that back around clockwise in place, and now it's firm and in there. And if we turn this car on now, release the headlights. Ta-da! Look at that. We're working again. And that's how it's done. Click that bad boy back up in there, and yeah, good to go. And there you have it, all done and working beautifully. And while we're at it, may as well check that all the other lights are working. Make sure you do the likey, subscribey, all that kind of stuff. But that's how you fix the front headlight on a Hyundai Kona.